On the weekend of March 12th and 13th, Travis Wuertz and his family had their annual hammer-in down in Casa Grande, Arizona. Since I've never been to any knife event, let alone a hammer-in, I didn't quite know what to expect. So hopefully this video will help anyone who might be considered going to one of these and kind of wants to know what they're getting into. The event started with the national anthem and the shooting of a very loud cannon. After that, there was a bunch of really good makers giving some great advice and tips on making knives and how to run a business. Bill Ruppel did some classes on folding knives. Mike Quisenberry did some classes on forging integrals. Bob Kramer, he talked about Japanese steel and running a business. Ben Snur did some forging, some tongs and dividers. Devin Thomas gave some tips and tricks on Damascus. Owen Wood did some machining tips and edge grinding. Travis Wuertz showed us how his grinders work and gave some tips on grinding. And then Ken Onion gave some business tips and some legal advice on running a business. This is a knife from Bob Kramer. The steel that he made this from is some experimental steel he's been working with. It was pretty amazing to see. Here we have some knives from Kelly Vermeer Vela. Pretty amazing to see with your own eyes. The craftsmanship of her knives are amazing.
Sorry.
Book well worth reading. Here's some Damascus from Devin Thomas. Some knives from Mike Tyree, also an amazing maker. All in all, it was a pretty amazing event, well worth the money. Some knowledge that you can't find anywhere else. And I'll probably be going again next year. So until then,